Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install latest version of Python on your Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, you just need to open your favorite browser and search for Python. And the first link which will appear here will be from python.org. You just need to click this link. And in here you can find more information about Python, right? And you can see here Python 3.5.0 is the latest version at the time of making this video, and Python 2.7.10 is the legacy version. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and I can see this download button, and I can choose the Windows option from here. Okay, so just choose this Windows option, and now you can see various options for the installers and web-based installer or executable installer or embeddable installer. So what we want is we want to have this executable installer which is 64-bit. So just click this link which says Windows x86 -64 executable installer. Okay, so just click it and save the executable file. And once your executable file is downloaded, you just need to click on your executable file, and I will minimize the browser. And now our installation setup is started. So you just need to click install now, but before that you just need to check this option which says add Python 3.5 to path. Okay, so just check this option and then click install now. Okay, and it's going to give you this option to provide user account control. You just say yes, and now the installation will start. So now Python has been installed on my system, and I can see this message setup was successful. So I know that Python is successfully installed on my Windows 10 operating system. So I will click close, and then I will go to the start button and then go to all apps here, and in here search for Python. So under P category you can find this Python 3.5. 3.5 is the latest version. So just click this option, and now you can see four options here. First is idle, which is you can say the GUI version of Python IDE. And second is the Python command line option. So first of all we are going to open this Python 3.5 command line option. Okay, so just click this option, and it's going to open this Python shell. So to execute some code, you just need to write, for example, you want to print something, you can just call a function called print, and then you use these bracket. After version 3, I think you need to use these brackets in order to print something. Okay, and inside the double quotes you can just write, for example, hello world. Okay, and then click enter, and it's going to print hello world here. Okay, so you know that the shell is working. Now let's see how the idle works in Python, which is Python IDE. So just go to all apps once again, and then go to Python once again, and in here this time you just click idle. Okay, so just click this option, and it's going to open this kind of interface. It works almost the same as the shell, but it's more convenient to use. Okay, so in here also, for example, we want to print something, we can just write print, and then in the brackets you can just write your message, for example, hello world. Okay, and press enter, and you can see our output is printed as an output. Okay, one thing is to note here is Python doesn't take semicolon. So you don't need to give any semicolons here. So in this way, you can download and install Python on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.